Paynor.
Papa Paynor.
Yes.
Nagulat kami, bigla ka nag-appear. Si Consul talaga.
So humble.
General.
Very humble man, very humble man.
Very humble.
Yes, and he's actually here to help us pick the raffle ticket to give away an iPad courtesy of TransFast. Yes,
Wow,
we're doing some programs.
Okay, but before we do, actually, I would like to let you know that to win our iPad raffle today, the person who's going to claim should hold the claim ticket or the stub, and then he should be at least present here. If you may know, TransFast actually has been licensed here in California for the last 4 years. So we've been in the business for the last 23 years, and we're based in New York, in Wall Street.
Suplada, Wall Street.
Bradley, can you explain to everyone who doesn't know about TransFast? What do you guys, what kind of business is it?
Actually, TransFast actually, we do a money transfer.
Ah,
We
okay.
are not only in the Philippines but worldwide.
Wow.
Oh, do you transfer money to Africa too? To the,
Sure,
To
yes.
the jungle?
Yes, we do.
Oh, okay. Because I have a
And,
lot of tribes in the
there you
jungle.
go.
I could send money to, no?
Nag-i-imprenta pa kayo ng pera? Hindi na.
No, not yet.
Okay, ayan na.
So,
Si Consul General.
we have
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, get your tickets ready.
Palakpak po para swertihin tayo. Palakpakan ang nag-donate ng
This is for an
iPad.
iPad.
Who's the lucky person? Who's the lucky person? Okay, Mr. Council General, we will hold it for you, and you can pick the ticket. Turun, 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 turun.
Okay, I will have one of our managers from New York who is going to go home also tonight. Miss Janie Sebastian to announce the winner.
The winner is Carla. She doesn't have a last name.
Wala bang Carla?
Raffle ticket number 772. Come up and claim your iPad.
772. Going. Going. 772. Going.
772.
772. Come up and claim your iPad.
Come on up! Wala.
Siete dos.
Wala. Sorry, wala ka. Dusa.
Next, on to the next.
Conjen, taga saan ang mga Paynor?
Ang Paynor taga Nueva Ecija, pero I was born and raised in Baguio.
Paynor. Parang foreigner ang pangalan, Paynor. Di ba?
Oo. Baguio.
Ayan na. Hawakan ninyo ang inyong mga dapat
I'm so
hawakan.
proud of you, Mr. Painter, that you still speak Tagalog, huh? Yeah.
Alright.
Isa-isang numero.
Raffle ticket number 752. It's Mert Manuela.
Mert Manuela.
Mert Manuela.
Ang ticket mo, baka may ticket sa wedding.
Okay, yes, let's see your ticket, your stub.
Baka
there.
naman loto
Let's
yan.
see proof. 752.
Palakpakan po natin, Mert Manuel, ng iPad. Congratulations! From TransFast, kasama natin, Victoria, para sa Estampita, saan mga cameramen? Ito, can we have a photo taken para sa TransFast? Magdikit-dikit kayo sa Estampita, ayan. Ayan. Everybody look happy, miskin yung mga natalo. Smile! Palakpakan po natin yung mga nag- Ayan. Okay.
One thing we want to ask.
Kunyari ang Estampita, isa dito hudas, kaya ako yun. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan!
Okay.
Smile! Ayan. Kunyari wala nangyayari. Ayan. Thank you!
Thank you.
Congratulations! Maraming salamat sa sponsor.
Mr. Mert Manila, our winner for the Kalayaan iPad 2012 here in San Francisco. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. More power to you, TransFast.